What is up, you BEA beautiful people out there? Hope you all are doing amazingly great. I hope you all have enjoyed this recipe, and those who are in Calcutta, they can order this recipe on this number. All the details are coming at the bottom, and it's also provided in the description. So if you are interested in having some good Sunday chicken roast during Christmas, then do comment in the section and order from the Bong Baker. Cheers guys. Now just I have separated all the pieces, two breasts, two wings, two legs, and the carcass, as you all can see. So this is what you all are going to get, along with some roasted vegetables. And so let's quickly do a taste test. So let me take the lemon and sprinkle it over the chicken. So let's go for the leg. Just look at it guys, juices are dripping. It's just BEA beautiful guys. Let me go for another bite. Order it now guys from the Bong Baker. All the details are given in the description. Cheers, have a great day ahead and have a BEA beautiful Christmas. Cheers.